Welcome again, friends. So in this video we'll talk about the gene expression. We'll see what is gene expression. So I hope you already know about the gene. Gene is the part of the DNA responsible for the information that it carries on it, and the expression of gene is responsible for the phenotype. Like gene is responsible to form protein, and that protein is further responsible for the expression of the phenotype. So gene expression, it's a simple process where information present on a DNA is coded into the message that form protein product and further responsible to produce phenotype of the organism. So processes of gene expression. What is required for a gene to express? A gene expression requires transcription and translation. We know transcription is when our DNA forms mRNA by using transcriptional machinery or apparatus. And the next is translation. Translation is whatever mRNA has been formed, it will further convert into the protein molecules, that is known as the translation. So gene expression is a very tightly regulated and controlled process. Like means a cell basically keeps it remember when a gene need to express and when a gene is need to be switched off. So the gene expression occurs at the level of transcription and translation. Obviously the control of the gene expression would also be at the level of the transcription and translation. If we talk about the location of the transcription and translation, in case of the prokaryotes, transcription and translation occurs hand by hand, means into the cytoplasm of the cell, because they don't have any nucleus. So transcription and translation, these both processes occur in the same location, that is the cytoplasm of the cell. But if we talk about the eukaryotes, they are the complex organisms, true organisms. So first of all, our DNA or genetic material, we know it's present inside the nucleus. So what happens, the DNA, when DNA forms mRNA, it occurs inside the nucleus, and that mRNA comes out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm where ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are the protein synthesizing machineries. So we can say that translation occurs in the cytoplasm, whereas transcription occurs in the nucleus of the cell. So regulation, what is the need of regulation? It basically tells about when a gene need to express and when not. It control overexpression of the gene that lead to the certain disorder. If a gene will begin to express in a very high amount, then what will happen? Very high amount of protein will begin to present inside the cell. That may cause problem in trafficking of other protein molecules, and it may also cause cancer. Like if lots of proteins will be produced, that protein may also, it might happen that protein is responsible for the cell division. So if cell division will occur blindly, that's what known as the tumor. So regulation means it controls a gene should not to overexpress. It basically make a check on the expression of the gene, and it's important to maintain the equilibrium of the body, as we have already told about it. The expression or the formation of the protein should to be controlled, it should to be regulated in tight manner. And so now I think you basically know that how beautiful and smart our DNA is, and and it basically know when to express a gene and when not to. Basically the whole credit of the gene expression goes to some particular transcriptional and translational factors, enzymes, protein molecules that are responsible for the expression of a particular gene. Thank you.